What's going on, Zara?
Well, we're on the Kepler Track. We've just been walking for about an hour and 15 minutes to get to our first stop, which is Broad Bay. Now we're going to begin our grueling climb up these bluffs, the limestone bluffs up to Mount Luxmore Hut. They say it's going to take us about 3.5 to 4.5 hours. So I don't know. We're just going to take her easy, right, Ben?
Right.
We don't want to die out here. We still want to walk.
How's it going?
It's going, man. Does this mean I'm close to the top?
I don't know.
It's tough. I'm on my second starburst. But sure is pretty. The guy says it's another half hour to tree line and then 45 to hut. So that's good.
How you doing?
Sure is breezy. It's kind of nice because I'm kind of hot.
What's going on?
Well, our original plan was set the alarm for 6 and be off by 7 to beat the weather, because they said they were forecasting rain and winds up to, I don't know, 120 kilometers an hour going over the mountain range. So we thought, okay, we'll leave early because it's usually calmest in the morning. But last night it just started to howl and this whole building really started shaking, and I didn't get much sleep last night, I must say. It's about 8:30 now, that's when the official weather forecast comes out. But I don't know, just from looking out the window, I think they might close the track, at least for a while. So I think we might be stranded. Yeah.
Alright, what's going on?
Alright, it's 11:15 on Friday, January 31st. Peak of summer here at Mount Luxmore Hut. The official word is Hut Warden Jenny has closed the track from here to Iris Burn because of extreme wind conditions. But she can't stop anyone from going if they're really keen, so, you know, of course, we're really keen. We're gonna go for it. I couldn't sleep at all last night because this bloody wind was shaking this whole house. A lot of people have already been to the desk, just crossed the little boardwalk here, just pulled right off. Hey. Ben had to sign a disclaimer so that hut warden Jenny, can save her ass if we get blown off. And number 3 and number 4 Canadians that died on the Alpine Ridge. Us Canadians, what are you gonna do?
So, update?
Wow. I guess there's no point in me trying to fix my hair. We made it to the first emergency shelter. We're doing pretty good for time, actually. But I got some injuries. I fell on rocks.
How many times did you fall over?
At least half a dozen times. Ben saw. Some other time, just smash. But we figure we're halfway through the Alpine section. I hope so. Still got a ways to go though. It's what? It's about almost 1:30. We get dark till 10. We're doing okay so far. It's pretty hairy though.
That's what we just came on. So what's going on now, Zara?
Well, we made it to the second shelter. We made it in good time. But I must say it wasn't a smooth journey. Almost lost it there. The wind just took me away and I fell off the ridge, but I didn't roll too far down. And Ben was there to pull me back up. It was a near-death experience, I think. I think next time that they close the track, we should stick around in the hut and wait till the next day. Is that a deal?
Deal.
Good. So I think we just have 2 hours or so to go. Can't wait till we get off this beautiful alpine section back into the forest. Nice protected forest. Yeah, so my injuries are growing with every shelter. But I'm still good to go. Just resting. Muscles tired. Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So last time we saw you...
Oh, was I in that shelter? On the edge of death? Just hovering in this limbo of existence. Kind of separated from my body. Right. That was then. And you'd be glad to know we made it down all the way to the hut. We're both quite proud of ourselves. I sustained a few injuries which Dr. Ben has treated. You'll be glad to know. Just bruises though, and some cuts and scratches.
Yeah, show us your leg.
Oh, okay.
Show us the Band-Aid.
It's pretty professional looking. It's all cut in there. I got a cut there and bruise. I got cuts on my hands. Just from like the rocks. But that's another story. So yeah, we're staying up a little late. Flights are on till 10:30. Playing some cards, eating some snacks, and I'm really happy to be here. Our last night on the Kepler Track.
And the pretty empty hut.
Oh yeah, well, another good thing about us forging ahead when the track was closed, besides the wind, was that only 3 people from that hut, which had like 50 people in it, left to do this track. So there was supposed to be 50 people here tonight, but now there's only 6. So this is also very good. We have this whole place basically to ourselves.
Good morning, campers. I think Zara did a really good job today. Although there were some spectacular moments that I was not able to catch on camera, unfortunately, because they truly would have been some of the most historically disgusting pictures of Zara. Yes, it's possible. Because she was there, and the winds were so bad, and her nose was running, so there was this little snot trail. And gradually getting bigger and bigger.
This picture's gonna be shaky because I'm laughing.
And then there was this spit. I don't really know why, but she had a similar spit trail going up the side. And we're talking like bubbly. Both of them are bubbly, you know. And then of course her mouth is open, which is probably why there was spit up the side of her face. But also, her skin was flapping in the wind. So imagine that while everything else was going on.
Whoa, it was 120 kilometer an hour gusts.
Yeah, it was pretty windy. It was pretty harrowing experience, I think. You know, you don't really realize it until you come back and have a meal and you think about where you just were and how insane it was. The howling, the incessant howling of the wind. It never stopped. I think that's all I have to say.
Is that all?
Like the howling, I should stop. How's your toe doing now?
It's dying slow, painful death. It's like 90% black now. And it's just like sore. Ooh, Kia. Yeah, so I don't know. It's taking a while to turn totally black, and then I don't know how long it'll take when it turns black. It's actually falling off. But I think we're close. But yeah, I'm gonna have a look. Did you have a look? Pretty black.
Where's that Kia?
There's not much of trees. I just want to fly behind that tree. Over there.
Kia! 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 See you, man. Have a good walk.
How's it going?
It's going good. I'm walking for what? How did we leave?
1:45.
Oh, just half an hour. Half an hour into our walk from Irisburn Hut. We've got 8 hours walking today. Maybe we can do it at 7, hopefully, because we gotta catch our bus. It's 5 o'clock. And it's a beautiful day. And it's like water. It was rained pretty hard yesterday. And so there's all these waterfalls in all the mountains if you just look around. Quite stunning, quite stunning. That one over there, pretty wicked.